Okay, what's going on? So today I wanted to hop on here and talk about Monday's trading day. Mondays usually don't have any news events, but this Monday did. We had two news events, which is great because it drives price. It makes price more volatile, which makes it a bit easier to trade. No news Mondays are a little bit tricky. Price is a little bit more sporadic, but this Monday was a very solid Monday. There was some very nice opportunities, and I just sort of wanted to talk about some of these opportunities and talk about some of the plays I took. So looking at the screen here, looking at TradingView, you can see that we had this high created at 7:30. This was the London high, and as soon as the market opened, we swept this high. Let's hop onto the two here. We swept this high and we created this very obvious 2-minute fair value gap. So as soon as we broke through this fair value gap and inversed it, I decided to hop in. So I hopped in on the candle close here and targeted this low resistance liquidity. So I targeted all of these lows, all of these stacked lows here, and got out at the start for about 20 points. So that was the first trade of the day, targeting this low, which was a great trade, super clean. It was clear to me that this was the draw, and realistically I should have called it there, one beautiful play, but I decided to hop into two other plays that weren't nearly as clean, so I'm going to talk about those as well. So if we hop on the one, the second play I tried to take was a continuation play. I thought we were going to continue to drop. I thought we were bearish for the day. I was wrong. So I decided to try to short this fair value gap here on this candle close. I hopped in here, stop here, and target right about here for a 1-to-1. This play didn't work out, and there's some things in this play I didn't really like nearly as much as the other. First of all, this fair value gap wasn't singular. It wasn't singular on the 2-minute either. There was no real sweep of liquidity here, and the play just wasn't that clean. I really shouldn't have taken it. I got a bit impatient and I was trying to get a little bit greedy. But as soon as we inversed this gap here, I decided to hop in long again, and I targeted this high here, which just got filled luckily, and I captured about 19 points on that play. So both of these plays weren't the cleanest, and something that I need to work on is patience, especially when you're trading the 1-minute chart. These plays will present themselves all the time, these A-plus plays, so there's really no reason to rush. And I took about 3 trades within the first 30 minutes of open, but if I was a bit more patient, just stuck with my first trade and then waited for another A-plus setup, I would have got it right here. So if you take a look here, we were holding a 1-minute BPR. We created relative equal highs, and we had a inversion coming out of that BPR that was holding as support. This, in my eyes, is a beautiful play. You could have held to these relative equal highs, which is always a great magnet. It's always a great liquidity pool to target. And then you could have held to the daily highs if you wanted for about 40 points. So my point being is patience is huge. And if you're not patient in this game, you're going to get killed. So in the future, I just want to practice, being a little bit more patient and just pouncing on these A-plus setups as opposed to taking these, not so clean setups in this chop, right? That's something I got to work on, and I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. But that was the Monday. It wasn't a bad day. Green day. We're up about 400 and change on the day, so we'll take that. And yeah, that's basically it. So what are we doing today? We're going to go to the gym. We're going to get a little chest day in, hop off the charts. So I filmed some of the workout for you. And if you're interested in watching that, then stick around. Yeah.
All right. Workout done. Feeling good. It's like 12:30 at night, so we're gonna get home here. I just wanted to say, if you're trading every single day or you're trying to get better at anything in life and you're not going to the gym, start going to the gym. It helps with everything else in life. It helps with discipline, helps with patience, helps with confidence. So if you're being lazy, get your ass in the gym, man. Get your ass in the gym, boy. Okay, get in the car.